Hotline fluid warmer from Smith's Medical, temp calibration. So I have the temp check kit right here, which is really just this bad boy. I added some tubing. If you've got the set, that's great. If you don't, you need some. This is like 1/8 inch inner diameter, quarter almost half-inch outer diameter. Anyway, so temp check just plugs in down here. Fill your reservoir up to the middle line. I just have my own thermometer on there to double check everything. So we're all hooked up, turn it on, let it run for a little bit. Ambient temperature needs to be around 71 degrees. So if it's cold where you're working, this isn't going to work out so well. Alright, so first thing is you've got 2 digits here, 3 digits here. Take your cover off. There's cover where there's screws in the front. And then this is, I think, the newer style where the screws are actually on the bottom. Down here. So you just unscrew this a little bit, slides out. Here's your board, and look, oh, now we have 3 digits. So if your temperature is not, you let it run for a bit, like 5-10 minutes. If your temperature up here isn't 38.1, I believe it is, plus or minus, you got to calibrate it. And this right here is called your 40 potentiometer, and you see it says it down here somewhere. There we go, 40 over temp LCD display. So 40. You turn that, and every quarter rotation is like 0.3 degrees. So you turn that until you get this, close to 38.2. If this and this aren't matching, then you turn this screw right here to make these two match. And that's it. All right, and now for the over temp alarm. So we turn this one, so you can turn, so the display says 39.2. Matching here right now. Turn the wrong one, like a dumbass. Okay. So you turn the LCD pot on the top one. So this is 39.2. It says wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That's in 3 seconds. So now we're going to turn the over temp. I was turning before like a moron because I wasn't paying attention. Counterclockwise, turn it back until the alarm goes off. There we go. Alright, now that we've got that, now we can fix our display. However, everything just turned off. This doesn't work. Okay, there we go. So I just turned it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, enough to get out of the alarm state. Let these two match up, and then we'll recalibrate this again. The display, not the over temp. Alright, so right now our temperature is calibrated. Our over temp alarm is calibrated, 39.2. In case you're wondering. Now we're waiting a minute so we can recalibrate these two together. Some patience on this one. Here we are, we're at 32, let that run for a little bit. More solid. Alright, and that is it. That is your calibration of your temperature, calibration of your over temp alarm, calibration of your display. And now we're going to put the cover back on, drain it, and we're done.